Hello, hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More. Let me turn this up just for a second. I am PIA and I got ish to do, okay? And my bestie made this shirt for me. Picture me crafting, just so you know. Anywho, I got happy mail today. I got a package in the mail from GMama Growz Hard in the Dirt, and I am excited. Now, I called her because I opened it up and wasn't sure what to do, but it's been in the house. She told me I need to keep it closed or open it in the house. So I came back in. I had my dirt and everything, my soil and everything ready to transplant. I'm not to transplant yet. So I'm in my basement. They are to stay in the house. I have what is it? A brown turkey fig cutting. And then I also have a bonsai cherry, I believe she said, and that can grow in the house. But what is that thing called? The brown turkey, she says, wait till it gets another leaf before I take it out. So I just want to do this unboxing so that you can see what I got. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, enough of the shenanigans. So I did open the box. Okay, I opened the box. And I have a little package here too. She's so sweet. She's looking out for me. This is this is just instructions here, so you all don't need that. Instructions of what to do and to give her a call. So I got some seeds. I have uh I can't say it. A, a calendula. Calendula. Yes. So I have calendula seeds. I'm going to research and plant those. And these are the cutest little packages. They are so cute. And then I have, what is this? Hawaiian giant, I can't read, petite berry, which is called a Cape gooseberry. Okay, I'm going to have some gooseberries. Yes. And then I have edible chrysanthemums. Is that how you say that? And the variety is, I can't read that. Shunjiku. Baby, I don't know what that says. Y'all see if y'all can read it. Oh, and that right there. So I'm going to research all these and plant. Okay? So let's open up the box. Sit down. My granddaughter down here, I can feel it. Come here, baby. Just come here. Whatever, you should have came. Come here. Come here. This is my granddaughter, Coco, from Florida. And she's going to be staying with me for a couple months. So she's going to be helping me in the garden and all that good stuff. She's going to learn a lot. Say hi to the people. Hi. Hi. Get out of here. Okay, y'all. Let's see. Let's see what we got going on. Can y'all see? Y'all can't see. Oh, she got it taped. She got it taped. Wait a minute. Open this carefully. Got painter's tape on here, I guess, to hold it in place. So let me take that off carefully. I didn't know there were two in here. I just thought it was a fig. Okay, careful, careful, careful. Oh, look at my cutting. Oh my gosh, it has 3 leaves and 1 coming on already. Ooh, 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 ooh. How nice. Brown turkey fig. So I have 3 types of figs now. I have the Black Mission and I have the Hardy Chicago. Is that what it's called? Beautiful. Okay. I'm going to water them. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, this is the the bonsai cherry. And it has started. How cute is that? Okay, she said to leave them in these pots for a while. So, and I'm assuming this is for the moisture. So I'm going to take this off and put a little bit of water in here. She packed them so nicely. Good job, G Mama, and thank you so much. And there's tissue paper on top. I'm going to leave that there, I guess. I'll be calling her. I'll give this a little water. It's so cute. This is going to be interesting. Okay. I'm going to set her Can y'all see that? Yeah, I'm sitting right here. So I need to know probably sunlight. I probably need to take that upstairs, but this one's got. I asked, can they go upstairs or do they need to stay down here in the kind of dark? Um, then I'm gonna take this plastic off and give it a little water as well. I'm gonna leave that paper towel on there. I'm gonna talk to GMama later on or tomorrow to get more instructions and make sure I'm doing this right. And I'll sit. Is it too tall? Yeah, I'll just set this one right here. How about that? Yeah. So thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Wish me luck. I'm excited. That's going to be the cutest little thing. And the cherry, she said you can eat once it grows. It's going to take a minute. It's going to take a while to grow, but that's okay. I'm keeping it in the house, and I pray that I don't kill it. So thank you so much. Peace and love. Grow with me so that I can grow with you. Hit that like button, please, and thank you. And leave me a comment. Tell me if you have these, if you have figs, if you have brown turkey, or if you have a bonsai cherry, or any of these seeds that I got. These are so interesting. So interesting. I got different kind of stuff. I got some different kind of stuff. That's cool. Alrighty. I'm babbling as always. Later, Gators. Peace and love. Deuces. In recording. Hello. Oh my gosh.